PoobaaTV.
The stars twinkle bright. It's time for night. The stars twinkle bright. It's time for night. The moon glows soft with silver light. A hush falls over hill and tree. It's bedtime now for you and me. The owl says, "Hoo! Good night to you." He blinks his eyes and tucks in too. He guards the night from high above with feathery wings and dreams of love. The bunny hops, then stops to yawn. She snuggles tight and dreams till dawn. Beneath the stars, so calm and deep, she whispers low, "It's time to sleep." The kittens curl in cozy pairs. They dream of clouds and teddy bears. They purr a tune so soft and sweet as moonbeams shine upon their feet. The fireflies dance, their lanterns glow. They light the path for dreams to flow. They hum a song without a sound and gently twirl above the ground. So close your eyes, the stars are near. They whisper dreams for you to hear. The world is still, the night is deep, and all around the creatures sleep. Good night, sweet one. Your dreams take flight, wrapped in love and soft moonlight. Drift